Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me. Thank you for tuning into this video. I'll be doing a review on a headband wig I got from Beauty Forever Hair. I'm pretty sure y'all seen these videos all over YouTube, and this hairstyle is going viral. So your girl had to hop on a train because honestly I'm tired of this ponytail, and this wig is super easy to put on, super easy to take off, super easy to style. It's perfect. So let me not waste time and get started on the video. So I got it from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their logo on the front. This is the package that it came in. I have worn this before, and I did wash the wig when it came in the mail. All the information on this wig will be in the description box, so don't forget to click the link. It'll take you straight to the wig. This wig was less than $80 per. That was really nice, and I believe it is 16 inches, but I ain't gonna hold y'all, this wig look a little longer than 16 inches. This giving me very much 18 inches. But anyway, this is the wig, you guys. I haven't put any heat in it since I got it, but I have worn it. Straight out the bag, the hair, you get this headband that's attached to the wig. This little black flappy part right here is a headband, and it has some tapes at the end, so you just tape it on the back of your head. So when you put it on, you tape this in the back, and that secures it. But that's not the only thing. That's not the only thing. So there's 3 combs in the front, one for the sides of your head, the very top, and then one at the back for one in the back, right there. So that's also a second way of securing this wig apart from the headband. So let me brush this real quick. Sorry y'all, I feel like I've been manhandling this wig a little too much. So it's really soft and it comes in layers, so I want to say y'all see when I put it on, it has a little bit of layer to it, which I like. Makes it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, this is it. Let me back up so y'all can see the real length. I like it. I love it. I like it. I love it. Purr. I love it because it's so easy. And baby girl, I didn't even notice this. There's bra straps, baby. I didn't even notice this when I got the wig. There's bra straps also to tighten the wig. So when you put this on, it's not going anywhere, okay? This wig is secure in 3 ways. This one, the headband itself, the combs, and it comes with bra straps in the back part. All right, so that's the wig. They also send a wig cap right here, to help hold your hair down. It's kind of like a tan color. I don't use it. It's still in the pack. And they send you 2 headbands. That is so nice. So they send you, well, I don't know if this is for every package that they send, these prints. So I got a cheetah one, and I got this little, floral vacay vibes one. So I don't know if this comes, these exact headbands come in each package, but this is what I got in mine, and that's it. Ain't nothing else in the bag. My hair is already in a bun. This is how I wear my hair, if I'm just gonna wear the bun, no wig, nothing. This is how I literally put my hair up in a bun. So I did nothing special. I didn't put the bun low. I didn't put the bun. I just did my hair like how I normally do it. So my edges, I laid them. This is how I lay my hair for a bun anyway, but I did my edges a little something, nothing too much. And that's it. So really, y'all, put your hair in a bun, lay some baby hairs, and you're good. And oh, I didn't straighten this wig. This wig, I washed it and go, so it's not straightened or anything. This is how the wig is naturally. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it over my bun, just like that. So this also covers my bun, y'all, so it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so my bun is covered, and I'm gonna show y'all the back too when I tighten the wig, just so y'all know my bun is not even bulging out. All right, so this is the piece, and this is kind of stretchy too, y'all. So this is the headband that comes with the wig, right? So I'm pulling it. Let me get a little closer. So I'm pulling it. This is this is gonna go under, and then this piece is gonna go under as well. Try to make sure there's no hair that's stuck in it. And that's it. That's it. Now I see people wear like headband wigs where like the headband is like on their forehead. This is a cute little vibe too, you know, but this is big enough where you could like fold it back on top of the hair. So it's like that, right? So I'm gonna take my little ears out, okay? Then I'm gonna secure the wig with the combs. This is what I do. You could use the bra straps, you could do whatever you want with it, but I'm just using the combs. So there's a comb right here, and there's a comb over here. So I'm just gonna stick it in my hair. And then I'm gonna grab the other comb. And then stick it. Wait, I need to come down really far. Okay, so secure. Show my hair a little bit. Bam!
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
All right, so the wig is on, secured. Okay, let me show y'all the back. My bun is like about right here. Yeah, about right here. And if I like really secure my bun, that would even be better, but I'm lazy. So if y'all lazy just like me, baby, do your hair in a bun, keep it pushing. Okay, so this is the back. Like, my bun is not bulging out. Okay. All right, so that's secure. Now I think I'm gonna leave the headband for like after I'm done styling this, but now I'm about to straighten it, right? And I'm gonna show y'all the layers a little bit better after I straighten it.
Just run through it, because I'm also gonna curl it, so I'm not trying to do too much. And the thickness, you guys, like, it's a perfect, I would say it's a perfect thickness for headband wig. You know, like, for this to look as natural as possible, I feel like the thickness is perfect.
This is the wig straight. I like it. I'm gonna put this headband on so y'all could see what it looks like with one of the headbands. Baby, I look like I'm about to go on vacation. Can I get me a mimosa, please? Can I get a I don't drink a lot. Can I get Henny on the rocks? This got me feeling myself. Like, it's cute. All right, so let me show it to you guys. Curled. Now I'm gonna put like some loose curls. I don't like tight curls, so just some loose to give it a little vibe. And I'll put on the other headband. So this is half the wig curled. Half the wig curled. I love these curls, they're cute. This is half the wig curled. And this is half straight. So it'll look good curled too. Like, and get you like a wand curl. I'm pretty sure Flying could curl this too. But like, baby, it's cute. Let me go do the other side, this side, but I just wanted to show y'all like the true length when it's straight and when it's like curled, like loose curls in it. I'll be back. This is giving very much like I'm about to meet the parents vibes. Like, yes. Hold on, let me put the headband away. Baby, quick and easy. Like, just got my wand curler, curl my hair, 2.5 seconds. Baby, this headband wig, this headband wig is where it's at. I'm not going back. Like, whoever, Beauty Forever hair, y'all did y'all thing, and it's still fluffy. Like, it's still soft, it's still fluffy. Oh, and y'all, this hair do not shed, like, at all. Which, I mean, I didn't expect it to because it's a headband wig. But, baby, Y'all need to go cop this. Less than $80. And I'm pretty sure you could wear this in like a low ponytail. Maybe not like with my bun like this. Maybe if I like made it a little bit more flat, it would still be cute. Low ponytail. Headband. I mean, 5 stars. 10 out of 10. I love this, guys. I love this wig. Like, you had to go get you one. Like, I'm giving very much like y'all drop some in the comments what I'm getting, because I love this. And I love the layers. So you see like this piece right here, this is shorter than the hair. This is like a, what is this? What length would this be? Like 12? I don't know. But the layers make it look more realistic. You know what I'm saying? It's not like just straight, you know, one length. Baby, go get it. All right, so thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the review. Just to sum everything up, I definitely recommend this hair. It is affordable, less than $100 for this wig. You could get so many looks out of this. I'm pretty sure you could do a half up. That's gonna be one of my videos. I'm showing y'all how I do a half up, half down with this wig. But yeah, definitely get it. You get 2 headbands, and I ordered from Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you get that in a couple days. And the wig cap, that's also a plus for people that, you know, like to wear the wig caps over their hair and protect their hair. I'm just lazy, so I just put it on. This video, I feel like, is for people like me that not trying to pluck anything or do the most. It's super easy. So this is like a lazy wig, but you could look good. Like, you can look good in this wig. So yeah, definitely recommend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And if you'd like to see me do more hair reviews, the link to this hair, directly to this hair, will be in the description box, and extra information about Beauty Forever and how to get money off. So see you guys in my next video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Bye.